Good morning, friends. We had studied before this shall and will, the difference between shall and will. Today we'll see the difference between should and would. Should and would are both the past tenses of shall and will. Now, when do you use should and when will you use would? Listen to this. Now, would is used for simple things. I would go to school every day when I was young. I would go. It is a habitual action, continuous action. I used to go. It is habit. But you should stand up for the national anthem. It is obligatory. So should and ought can be used interchangeably, and that is used for compulsory action. You should wash your hands. During the corona, you should observe social distance. Well, when we were small, we would play with each other. We would play with each other. So it was a habit. There is nothing compulsory about it. So now just see these sentences. See, shall and will. Shall you use for the first person, singular and plural. Will you use for second person and third person, plural. But should can be used for all the persons. You should go to college. You should do. You ought to this thing. We ought to stand up for the national anthem. We ought to follow, observe social distances. Ought and should. So this is the difference between should and would. I hope I make it clear. I'll give you a few examples more. I will not see him today. I would not see him. But I should see him. Because he is ill, I should. So there is a compulsion. You have to see him today. So this is the difference between would and should.